Welcome to our channel TechDevil. You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast. The Xiaomi hype train 14 Ultra arrives. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is finally here, and oh boy, the tech world has been buzzing with anticipation. For months, rumors and leaks have kept us on the edge of our seats, and now the wait is over. The excitement is palpable as tech enthusiasts and industry experts alike gather to witness the unveiling of what could be the most groundbreaking smartphone of the year. This phone is packed with top-of-the-line specs. Is it the new Android king? With a powerful processor, an impressive camera setup, and a battery life that promises to outlast its competitors, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is poised to set new standards in the smartphone industry. But what exactly makes it stand out in a sea of high-end devices? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk about the display. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra boasts a stunning AMOLED screen with a high refresh rate, ensuring smooth and vibrant visuals whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing. The colors are rich, the blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is nothing short of spectacular. Xiaomi is known for pushing boundaries, and they always deliver incredible value for the price. Their commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of the 14 Ultra. From the cutting-edge chipset that powers the device to the advanced cooling system that keeps it running efficiently, Xiaomi has left no stone unturned in their quest to create the ultimate smartphone. The 14 Ultra is no exception. This phone is gunning for the top spot. With its impressive hardware and software integration, it aims to dethrone the current leaders in the Android market. But it's not just about raw power. The user experience is equally important. Xiaomi has worked tirelessly to ensure that the 14 Ultra offers a seamless and intuitive interface that caters to both tech enthusiasts and casual users. From the moment you unbox it, you can feel the premium quality. The packaging itself is a testament to Xiaomi's attention to detail. As you lift the lid, you're greeted with the sleek and elegant design of the 14 Ultra, nestled securely in its box. The first touch reveals a device that feels solid and well-built, exuding a sense of luxury that is often reserved for much more expensive smartphones. The design is sleek and modern, with its slim profile, curved edges, and minimalist aesthetic. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a visual delight. The choice of materials, from the high-quality glass to the durable metal frame, speaks volumes about the craftsmanship that has gone into creating this device. It's not just a phone, it's a statement piece that reflects Xiaomi's design philosophy. It's clear that Xiaomi paid attention to every detail. From the placement of the buttons to the symmetry of the speaker grills, every element has been meticulously designed to enhance both form and function. The camera module, for instance, is seamlessly integrated into the back of the phone, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted surface that feels great in the hand. Let's break down what makes this phone so special. One of the standout features is the camera system. Equipped with multiple lenses, including a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a photographer's dream. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, detailed close-ups, or vibrant portraits, this phone delivers exceptional image quality in every shot. Additionally, the advanced AI capabilities enhance your photos by automatically adjusting settings to suit the scene, making it easier than ever to take professional-grade pictures. Another highlight is the battery life. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with a large battery that ensures you can go through your day without worrying about running out of power. And when you do need to recharge, the fast charging technology gets you back up and running in no time. Whether you're a heavy user or someone who just needs their phone to last through a busy day, the 14 Ultra has got you covered. The software experience is equally impressive. Running on the latest version of MIUI, Xiaomi's custom Android skin, the 14 Ultra offers a smooth and responsive user interface. The customization options are extensive, allowing you to tailor the phone to your preferences. From themes and wallpapers to advanced settings and features, MIUI provides a rich and engaging user experience that complements the hardware perfectly. Connectivity is another area where the Xiaomi 14 Ultra excels. With support for the latest 5G networks, you can enjoy blazing fast internet speeds wherever you go. The phone also comes with a host of additional features, such as an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and stereo speakers, all of which contribute to a premium and convenient user experience. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a remarkable device that combines cutting-edge technology with elegant design and exceptional value. It's a testament to Xiaomi's dedication to innovation, and their ability to deliver top-tier products at competitive prices. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest and greatest or someone who simply wants a reliable and stylish smartphone, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is sure to impress. So is it the new Android king? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra has set a new benchmark in the smartphone industry. Camera king, Leica's magic touch. The camera is where the 14 Ultra truly shines. It boasts a quad-lens system co-engineered with Leica. This partnership brings legendary image quality to the table. The main sensor is massive, capturing incredible detail and light. You can expect stunning photos, even in challenging lighting. The telephoto lens offers impressive zoom capabilities, rivaling dedicated cameras. Xiaomi has also included a wide-angle lens for capturing expansive landscapes. And let's not forget the dedicated macro lens for those intricate close-ups. This camera system is truly in a league of its own. Battery life power through your day. Battery life is crucial, and the 14 Ultra delivers. With a high-capacity battery, this phone is built to last. You can power through even the busiest days without worrying about running out of juice. Xiaomi has also implemented intelligent power-saving features. These optimize battery consumption, extending your usage time even further. And when you do need to charge, the 14 Ultra supports incredibly fast charging speeds. You can juice up your phone in minutes, not hours. This combination of a large battery, intelligent software, and fast charging makes the 14 Ultra a battery life champion. Display delight. A feast for your eyes. The display is your window into the digital world, and the 14 Ultra boasts a stunning AMOLED screen. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and everything looks incredibly sharp. The high refresh rate ensures buttery smooth scrolling and animations. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or gaming, the display delivers an immersive experience. Xiaomi understands the importance of a great display, and with the 14 Ultra, they've knocked it out of the park. This is one of the best smartphone screens available today. Section 5, Performance Beast, Snapdragon's latest and greatest. Under the hood, the 14 Ultra packs Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon processor. This chipset is a powerhouse, delivering lightning-fast performance. You can expect seamless multitasking, smooth gaming, and effortless app launching. Xiaomi has also included ample RAM to handle even the most demanding tasks. This phone can handle anything you throw at it, from heavy gaming to professional video editing. The 14 Ultra doesn't compromise on performance. It's designed to provide a flagship experience no matter what you're doing. This phone is built for speed and efficiency. Section 6, Unique Features, Standing Out from the Crowd. Beyond the impressive specs, the 14 Ultra boasts some unique features. It has an IP68 rating, meaning it's dust and water resistant. You can take this phone on adventures without worry. The in-display fingerprint sensor is fast and reliable, providing secure and convenient unlocking. And let's not forget the stereo speakers, tuned by Harman Kardon, for an immersive audio experience. Xiaomi has carefully considered every aspect of the user experience. These unique features elevate the 14 Ultra above the competition, making it a truly special device. Section 7, the competition Samsung and Apple in sight. The smartphone market is fiercely competitive. The 14 Ultra has its sights set on the top players, Samsung and Apple. Samsung's Galaxy S series is known for its stunning displays and versatile cameras. Apple's iPhones offer a premium ecosystem and powerful processors. The 14 Ultra goes head-to-head with these giants. It offers a compelling alternative with its incredible camera system, long-lasting battery, and impressive performance. The 14 Ultra is a true flagship competitor. Section 8, Deal Makers and Breakers. What makes the 14 Ultra special? So, what are the deal makers and breakers for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? The camera system is a major selling point. It's one of the best smartphone cameras on the market, rivaling professional-grade equipment. The long-lasting battery and fast-charging capabilities are also huge pluses. You can say goodbye to battery anxiety. However, the 14 Ultra's price might be a deciding factor for some. While it offers incredible value for its specs, it's still a premium-priced device. Potential buyers will need to weigh the impressive features against the cost. Section 9, Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the verdict. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a true flagship phone. It excels in every category, from camera to battery life to performance. If you're looking for the best of the best, this phone should be at the top of your list. It's a powerhouse that pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to innovation. This phone is a winner. If you're in the market for a new device, be sure to check out the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tech updates.